Happy holidays, everybody. Today is Christmas Eve. Tomorrow is Christmas. You guys are probably watching this video after the holidays, of course. So I just want to say I hope that you all had a wonderful holiday. So today is just about prepping. On Christmas, I will be cooking the food and doing all that. So I did start my collard greens, clean them up and everything. I'm gonna do my spaghetti sauce for my lasagna, do cupcakes. I'm gonna do all the desserts for tomorrow today. So I want to get that out of the way. And yeah, today's gonna be a very hectic, busy day for me. And so will tomorrow, which you guys will see all that, okay? I am the only one that is cooking, so it is gonna be a lot for me. I have been up. I slept in until 9. I made them like oatmeal for breakfast, something warm, fast. So I knew what I had to do today. And I had started preparing like the collard greens started at 10. I'm gonna start do the sweet potatoes too today, like prepare them. So tomorrow all I gotta do is put them in the oven. So I'm going to start talking because I want to get all this prepared. I gotta wrap presents. Okay, I gotta do the stockings today. Like it's just going to be so busy. So first I will be making the cupcakes. And later on, you guys will see them making their cookies, decorating their cookies. Like I showed you in a few vlogs ago. I think the first vlog I did. I showed you guys the cookies that I bought for them to like make, decorate stuff like that. I'll show you guys all that. And then making hot cocoa and just, and then have fun while mommy's on her feet. My feet are already killing me, but I gotta do what I gotta do for my family. So, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. Happy holidays. Happy holidays, guys. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. I hope that you all had a wonderful holiday with your children, with your family, your significant other. Now I'm gonna start talking again to this.
Shane's eating his frozen because that's not for him to eat it. That's for the cookies. What we're making, and we're decorating it today. Look at our cookies. Shane, your cookies on your plate. And look, there's cookies. And because and shine. Oh, you sang frosting. Mom's decorating. Mom, I did that.
You did that?
It's not coming out. Maybe I'm gonna do the dot. I can not even do it.
Cut it bigger?
I'm not even doing it.
guys. So it is later on at night. You know, I've been done cooking. Kids are actually asleep. I fell asleep. And I had to get to wrapping presents and do these stockings. So I have everything for the stockings. I'm gonna do the stockings first. Get that out the way. And then I'm going to be doing the wrapping. Getting that out the way. I'm gonna show you everything I got for the stockings. You guys will see me doing the stockings. I'm not prepared for this. I am so glad that this is one day out of the year because it don't need to be too loud. I'm not trying to wake up my 2-year-old. So I know I look crazy, but yeah. But like my Christmas shirt don't fit, so I can't wear my Christmas shirt. But these are my pants. Christmas pants. You know, the kids got their whole get up on, the pajama shirt and pants. Mommy can't fit her shirt, so, and I get too hot, so I'm not wearing a shirt. This is why I'm wearing my crop tops, because the belly just needs to be out. She wants to show. She wants to be there. So I'm gonna show you guys and then get to this.